All right, so I'm in quarantine because of the coronavirus, and I thought I'd work on uh, my Nike Bruins a bit, my Back to the Future shoes. So these were originally canvas shoes, like a beige canvas. Uh, the swoosh was white to begin with, and then this is all beige, like a suede material. So I ended up painting all this. But today what I was working on was like I aged them a little bit too with some antique and glaze. But what I was working on today was trying to make it look a little shinier like that, like leather. So you see when the light hits it, kind of. The front there, yeah, there we go. See how that's shining up? So it kind of matches the sheen that you get with that there. So it looks more like leather rather than painted canvas. And what I ended up using for that was just a tea tree candle. They've got or not tea tree, sorry, a tea light candle. And they've got videos online for how to do that. So I just basically used it like a crayon and covered over everything, and then buffed it up really good. The first couple of layers that you put on, you can use a heat gun just to melt the wax a bit. And then just do your final layers just without melting anything, and then just buff it up really good. So by comparison, like that's that there with that shine. I'll show you how this one looks. I haven't done this one yet, but it'll be nice and waterproof too. And then because I got that aged look on there to begin with, it'll preserve that as well. So yeah, it's starting to look pretty good. Looks really good. You see right there, the swoosh is shiny. Everything else isn't, so it just kind of stands out. But you want everything to look nice and uniform, just like leather. I might try something else, another technique. I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. But I saw online, like, if you crumple up some tin foil, then you get that leather pattern to it. So if you do that, then you can press the tin foil on top and iron over it. So that might give it kind of a bit of a wavy kind of leather, kind of like texture. See, like on here, you don't really get that texture out of this, but that's just very fine detail. I might not even bother doing that. But yeah, give it a shot if you ended up buying the canvas Bruins. And yeah, it's certainly a money saver. Gives you something to do during quarantine. All right, take care.